The stock market is down. Your cash is sitting there, earning less than 1%. And you're wondering, now what? This downturn? It's not a threat. It's your shot. If you've got cash sitting idle, this bear market could be your greatest wealth building opportunity in a while. So today I'm giving you 3 innovative strategies to use your cash wisely. I know it's not wait it out. It's time to act. Strategy number 1. Your IRA or 401k falls too when stocks drop. Of course, but that's precisely what makes this the perfect time for a Roth conversion. What's that? A Roth conversion involves transferring funds from a pre-tax retirement account, such as a traditional IRA or 401k, into a Roth IRA. This process requires paying income taxes on the converted amount in the year of the conversion. But once the funds are in the Roth IRA, they grow tax-free and can be withdrawn tax-free in retirement. Buy the correction for tax-free gains forever. Why? Because you're taxed on the value today, not what it was. Let's say your IRA was worth $100,000. Now it's $70,000. Convert it now, and in the 24% tax bracket, you pay $16,800, not $24,000. That's a $7,200 tax savings. And the future growth? Completely tax-free. Want to be even smarter? Use an in-kind conversion. You transfer individual stocks, like NVIDIA, which dropped almost 40%, straight into your Roth IRA. If NVIDIA rebounds to its former high of $149, that growth stays yours, tax-free. By the way, unless you have a separately managed account, or SMA, with direct ownership of shares of great companies, you can't pick and choose the stocks that may rebound the most. We only manage your money in an SMA, so you have this benefit. Hey, this isn't theory. This is what our clients are doing today. Strategy number 2. Think your only options are all in or all out? Wrong. Instead, drip your money in slowly. This is called dollar cost averaging. Take $50,000 in cash. Invest $10,000 per week for 5 weeks. When prices dip, you buy more shares. When they rise, you still gain. Example, NVIDIA at $94 gets you 106 shares. If it drops to $85, your next $10,000 buys even more, 117 shares. Your average cost stays low, and when the stock rises, you win. This method turns anxiety into action. It's like planting seeds every week. And when the market rebounds, like it always does, you harvest the rewards. Strategy number 3. Here's where most investors blow it. They panic. They sell low. They lose. Don't be that person. Instead, build 2 safety nets. First, a 6-month emergency fund. Cash for unexpected hits like job loss or medical bills. That's $30,000 if you spend $5,000 a month. Second, for retirees, a 10-month fund to cover your expenses without touching your investments. That's $50,000 for 10 months of breathing room. These funds do 2 things. They protect you from selling great stocks at the bottom, and they give you confidence to invest when everyone else is afraid. Simple, powerful, game-changing. Let's recap the 3 strategies for your cash now. Number 1, Roth conversions cut your taxes and let great stocks grow tax-free. Number 2, dollar cost averaging gets your money working, so no guessing required. And number 3, 2 simple cash funds keep you calm while the market recovers. This downturn, it's your launch pad, but only if you act. So ask yourself, are you sitting in fear or setting up for freedom? If you're ready to turn your cash into long-term wealth, subscribe, like, share this with a friend who's still stuck on the sidelines. This isn't just survival, it's your strategy for a comeback.